Are humans just going to have to come around the corner? Well, maybe. I mean, they're all going to come. But are they going to have to come around the corner and start fucking...
Start fucking. What is with you?
Fucking the dirt. Something's on my mind. I don't know what's happening.
Don't bang.
Yeah, don't bang. Oh my god.
It's not even picking it up.
It's not even picking it up. Like, he just doesn't.
He's just banging all over town. Up, down, left, right.
Yeah, stop banging.
What can I say? I'm an uptown girl.
I really enjoyed all the laughter that came from that.
All right, so today we're going to talk about the hammerhead worm, which belongs to the genus Bipalium, recognizable for its iconic hammer-shaped head. This 8 to 20 inch long creature, that's pretty long, weighing just a few grams, lives in moist environments.
What's a gram?
A very small measurement of weight. Lives in moist environments like gardens and under rocks. What do you think about the hammerhead worm, Kara and Rob? Are you interested in learning more about this animal?
I'm interested. I know a little bit about the hammerhead worm, but not too much.
I am not interested. I'm going to leave.
Okay.
Just you and me, Dill.
Just you and me. All right. Well, I mean, where should we go to next?
Well, do you want me to say what I know about it already?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Because I've seen this animal pops up on Reddit from time to time. All I know about it, yes.
I didn't
Which
know
is
that.
why I put it on the list of animals.
Shit.
Most of the list comes from Reddit. All I know is that they're invasive.
Oh, yeah.
Well, do you want your surprise?
I would love my surprise.
Okay.
Wait, shouldn't we wait till the end? We should wait till the end.
It's an actual surprise.
It's
like an actual surprise. Exactly. I think we should wait till the end.
All right, we'll wait till the end so we can build the anticipation.
Exactly.
Right,
Let's talk about the hammerhead worm. Let's talk about the hammerhead
worm.
So I already kind of said how long it is, how big it is.
Yeah, you said a little bit of the description, but that's okay. I'll reiterate.
I mean, they're basic stats.
He said the big stuff, though. I mean, like, how long is it? That's what people care about.
Just to paint the first picture, but if Kara wants to actually paint a picture, she should go for it.
Sure. I'll describe it. That's a good thing to do right up front.
Yep.
We can get a picture. We can visualize it.
Absolutely.
Picture, believe it or not, a worm. That's mostly what it looks like, at least its body. But the head looks like... It doesn't really look like hammer. It looks more like the head of a shovel or a spade.
I'm thinking a mushroom.
It's a semicircle. Oh, a mushroom. Yeah, that's a good term for it. It's
actually,
a semicircle.
That is really good. Yeah.
And it's a little bit bigger than an earthworm. Like Dylan said, how many inches?
Typically range from 8 to 15 inches. Or if you want to know the metric.
We don't know. We don't care about metric.
20 to 38 centimeters.
So it's almost more along the lines of a snake size. So picture snake and hammerhead shark combined. Snake body, hammerhead shark head, but more of a semicircle.
Yeah.
And from the pictures you sent, it can have a variety of colors and patterns. It's actually pretty varied. I mean, one of the ones you sent, it has kind of a linear pattern on its body. It has red stripes, black stripes, and then a white stripe down the middle. Another one has kind of brown and black with circular blobs all around its body, and the edges of its head are more curved.
Looks like a python.
And then the last picture you put on here, it's bright orange with black stripes all down its body.
The red stripes from Jamaica.
So I guess the main defining feature of this is snake worm-like body, semicircle head. That's a hammerhead worm.
That's really cool.
Seems like a normal creature to me.
I have never seen one of these.
Me neither.
I'm like terrified of seeing brightly colored bugs and especially a worm.
Bright color in nature usually means do not touch.
Yeah, exactly.
Unless you have a death wish.
And I don't.
I do.
Well,
depends on the week.
To live.
I want to go like in a less painful way, though.
Yeah, I always say I'd like to die on a Sunday night or Monday morning.
Why? No. You die on a Friday night because then you're happy. If you die
on a Friday night?
Yes, because if you die on a Sunday night, then you're dreading work the next day when you die.
Exactly.
Why would you want to die dreading work? Why would
Because then I don't have to go through the whole week of working.
Right, but you're still already dreading it, right? So if you die on a Friday night, or let's say a Saturday night,
I guess I see
then
your
you're
point.
happy.
You want to die when you're happy?
This is happening. Then you die. And it doesn't happen, but at least you were happy when you died.
I guess I picture it as like, oh, I'm dead. Now I have the relief. I don't have to go to work.
Yeah, but you won't know that. So you're going to like die. Well, sorry, I forgot. We all go to heaven afterwards. So you will know. You'll be able to look down and say, oh, God, I got that weekend. Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
Thanks, Jeebus.
Now what?
Now we've lost all of our religious listeners.
I didn't want their...
We still have the alcoholics.
Anyways.
No, we want them. We want them.
Oh shit, you're right.
Yeah, we'll lose the alcoholics if we start talking
praise
bad about
God.
them. I don't have any control.
Jesus was real cool. I mean, he like made water into wine.
Oh yeah, he was totally drunk all the time.
That's pretty awesome.
Pretty cool dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He could have made slavery be illegal, but
why would you do that, though? Why would you do that, though?
Why wouldn't you?
Because...
Could have banned pedophilia, you know.
It's just too cool to do other stuff.
Could have made equality for women.
No.
Well, that's just the perks.
But hey, you know, at least we got wine.
Please.
In abundance.
A lot of fish,
at least we
too.
got wine.
Bread and fish.
Bread, fish, wine.
Bread,
What
fish,
more
wine.
do you
What,
need?
you don't need anything else?
You can't ask too much of your deities here.
Yeah, really.
That kind of reminds me about the Hammerhead worm.
Second coming.
Oh, I know why. I feel like.
You feel like you know why?
I didn't read this in our thing here.
You knew
but
this.
I'm assuming that because flatworms, a lot of times when they get bisected or whatever you want to call it, separated from different parts of their bodies, that they will form two completely separate, fully functioning flatworms.
I have a tangent.
And these
I
are
did
flatworms, correct?
Mm-hmm.
my
Well,
science fair project
closely related.
in 10th grade was cutting worms up because
That's just what you did for fun. That wasn't
and
a science
seeing what length would aerate the soil the best.
Wow.
But I made my friend cut them up because I was afraid to do it. We used a little X-Acto knife and we got worms from like the bait store.
What were your okay, I'm sorry. So wait, no, this was not in school, was it? This is something you did.
This was a
for fun.
chemistry science fair project.
School can
And
be
then, you cut,
barbaric.
and then you cut
dude.
the tails off of cats to see how it would affect them. We
No,
understand this.
Would never.
I want to know.
Yeah.
I need to know.
And I'm pretty sure some of them escaped because we put them in little tubes to see how well they would aerate the soil.
Ooh.
And then we just couldn't find them.
I remember when
Is
my
it science
my
school?
sister, she's terrified of moths because
Yeah.
when she was little, she found some cocoons.
Oh.
And she's like, I'm going to catch these and I'm going to put them in a bottle and then they're going to become butterflies. And then one day she woke up and they were just moths. And she's just been
That's
terrified
why
of moths.
she's afraid of moths?
That's why she's
I
afraid
think
of them.
moths are cute.
I think so too. There was one last night.
They're like
was
fluffy.
laying on my hand. And I just
Why
walked
would she be
outside of it.
afraid of them? They did what they were supposed to
It doesn't
do.
make any sense.
Sometimes you're just afraid of stuff.
Sometimes
I'm
stuff
afraid
just
of
happens.
bugs too. I don't like.
You hate
I told you
bugs.
I don't like bugs at all.
I'm sure if she's like listening to this right now, she's probably screaming about something else that happened. Like maybe they flew out at her or something. I don't know.
I mean, I see how the fluttering can be off-putting.
yeah, I'm assuming she opened it and they flew out at her, and that's what scared her. So I'm sorry. I'm not going to say her name, but my sister, that I didn't tell it right. But whatever.
Should we take her to a
Yeah,
butterfly
whatever.
sanctuary to
Absolutely
overcome
not.
this fear?
No. I don't think so.
Also, I don't think she's afraid of butterflies. Like it's just
moths.
It's just
Moths are kind of gross. They have little
They're cool.
furry
They're
body.
cool.
They have like
Furry
bigger.
body's cute.
Yeah,
bug
I think
buddies.
I think the fuzziness is adorable.
Yeah, I'm just saying I
like
can
moths.
see how it would be off-putting. Anyway, hammerhead worm.
Anyway, what else is off-putting about the hammerhead worm? It's kind of slimy looking. I don't like it.
You don't like it? We'll have to get to that later. We'll have a point of contention on that one.
Would you like to know what it eats?
Yeah, hell yeah.
They're carnivorous.
Dude. So like a hammerhead shark?
Yeah.
Fucking just swimming around.
They eat earthworms, slugs, other soft body invertebrates. And do you know how they eat?
I do.
I think I have an idea.
Well, I'm just going to tell you.
Okay, please.
So they have kind of like this slime-like thing in their mouth. It's called tetrodotoxin that they use to immobilize their prey before eating. And it helps to digest their prey into kind of like a liquid state so they can just slurp it up.
Ew.
Yeah.
Did you know that tetrodotoxin is the same type of toxin found in pufferfish?
I did not know
Oh,
that.
no, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
What else is it found in?
I don't know.
Those two things. That's pretty cool.
They use, instead of it being more defensive for pufferfish, they use it offensively to incapacitate their earthworm prey.
Well, they have a different strategy for defense. They play dead when they're threatened.
What are
What?
the worms do?
Yeah, the worms.
These worms play dead.
These worms play dead.
What?
Yep.
So they play dead, and then they have a little toxic enzyme in their mouths, and they have a feeding tube that they spit at their prey that liquefies them, and then they slurp up the prey.
Yeah.
That's pretty big in comparison to their own bodies.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. That is.
I can see how these are invasive.
Yeah, but I will
They're just
say,
the perfect killing
when you said they eat
machines.
earthworms, that's actually kind of good, at least for North America.
No, earthworms are good for the environment.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. They aerate the soil. This is what my whole science fair project was about.
No, they don't aerate the soil like that. Like the forests in North America evolved without earthworms. They don't need them. They come in and they eat all the nutrients that other insects and things rely upon.
Cares checking this.
The earthworms are like, they're good in Europe. They're not good in North America. So if you have earthworms, you might think, oh, this is good for my lawn. This is good for my garden. Nope.
I don't know about that.
No, I do. Keep reading. I understand exactly what you just Googled. It's going to say they're good for the environment. They're good for the soil. But if you keep going down, they will talk about how for forests, especially in North America, they are invasive and they outcompete other things and they are destroying parts of the ecosystem.
All right, well, I'll ask it about North America specifically, but it says they play a crucial role in soil aeration, nutrient recycling, soil fertility, enhanced plant growth, reducing soil compaction, supporting biodiversity, carbon sequestration, and water management. So that's a lot of things.
In Europe, where they evolved, in Europe, where they're from. Look up North America.
Okay, are they good in North America? Bit more complex and context dependent.
Bit more complex.
And context dependent.
Yeah,
it depends if they're native versus non-native. Of course,
the ones we're talking about are not the ones.
There's some native earthworms that have beneficial effects.
The big old pink ones that everyone talks about are not.
Okay, so the brown ones are good. The pink ones are bad. Non-native. It says many found in North America today are non-native from Europe and Asia.
Ooh.
Were introduced by human activities over centuries, especially during early colonization period, have mixed effects on North American
They're fucking colonizers.
So, of course, like, if they're invasive, they're not going to be as good.
And that's what I'm talking about.
But I'm pretty sure earthworms are pretty vital to soil aeration and nutrient cycling, because if you're a gardener, they always say if you have worms in your garden, that's a good sign that your soil's healthy.
Wow.
Yeah, because there's nutrients in there for them to eat. That's why they want to eat it.
Shit.
I'm just saying there are other things.
Do eat shit.
There are other
Tell
things.
us in the
there are other things,
comments.
including other types of earthworms that do the same thing in North America. And
like
the
what?
Earthworms from
To all our
Other
listeners,
stuff.
I think we've talked about this enough. I think all of our listeners, if you want to let us know what you think, are you siding with Kara? Are you siding with Rob?
Let's not
on
do
this?
that. Let's not do that.
I like that, actually.
I'm less likable. This is not fair. This is not fair. All I know is let's side with the hammerhead worms and have them kill all of the invasive
the
earthworms.
hammerhead worms are invasive.
No, but they kill all the invasive ones and then we kill them with their predators.
Okay, and then we're out of worms at that point. And then what's aerating our soil?
The natural worms and then other things.
Are humans just going to have to come? Are humans just going to have to come around the corner? Well, maybe. I mean, they're all going to come. But are they going to have to come around the corner and start fucking...
Start fucking. What is with you?
Fucking the dirt. Something's on my mind. I don't know what's happening.
You know, people do aerate their soil,
I was about to say,
That's
aerate their own soil.
Is.
Not by
tilling,
fucking
exactly.
And that's also bad for the soil and crop production.
Well, if we don't have any worms, what are we going to do?
But yeah, also with monoculture grass lawns, which are terrible for the environment,
Agreed.
people aerate that soil because native earthworms don't like it because it's monoculture. So people have to manually aerate their grass to get it to grow. So it's literally they poke holes in the grass to get it oxygenated.
Sorry, I was reading what North America achieves soil aeration.
Oh my gosh.
So earthworms is there, then it's soil added stones, and then the one that made me laugh was manual poking.
Yeah,
well, they fuck it. Yeah. Everyone's just out
also,
there.
I really want to
use
use a power rake.
A power rake, wow.
Oh.
That's where they generate all the power.
Animals' hooves for the soil.
Okay, so just, say someone sees this hammerhead worm, right? What are you supposed to do?
Eat it.
Definitely don't eat it. Not going to be... Definitely don't fuck it.
Poke it. Manually.
Since they're invasive, in most cases, you probably want to get rid of the worm.
By taking it on a trip?
How do you get rid of it?
Yeah, Dylan, go through all the ways you would murder these animals.
Just like the fruit flies you murdered, you genocided.
Yeah.
Well, let's
You're
not
an
talk
expert.
about that. Am I proud of that?
Generations.
Am I proud of it?
Sounded like you were. You said we built a statue to them.
Well,
You're like, it's okay. The genocide was justified. We built a statue.
well, yeah,
To thank them for their service.
of course. Thank you.
It's not like they really matter.
I was going to say, they're labeled as invasive. So I would say most of the time, it would be advised to somehow dispose of them. But
If you see one, I guess if you're pre-inclined to killing animals, you can kill one. It would be fine.
Don't do it yourself. Call the police.
I don't like killing things, so
Call the
even if
police.
it's invasive, I feel bad.
maybe if it's in your garden, don't pick it up with your hands, but like
Put it in your neighbor's
put it in your neighbor's garden.
I've got it, guys. I've got it. I've got the solution right now.
So what I was going to say.
It's going to solve both our problems.
Yeah.
Call the cops. They love to shoot things. They'll shoot it,
Oh,
killing
boy.
it, and
All right.
aerating the soil at the same time.
Target practice. Oh, with the bullet.
Yes.
But,
That's a good idea.
I'm a genius.
you're a genius. You're absolutely a genius.
Just don't have any like dogs loose around or they'll shoot your dog. They love to do that too.
Okay.
I was going to say something.
We're going
else.
to pivot. We're going to pivot a little bit away from that. So you would
Don't be black.
maybe use. Oh my god!
Yeah. I mean, in fairness,
I'm
that's
not
true.
wrong.
Don't. Yeah. Only do this strategy if you're white.
So
It shouldn't be that way, but it is.
that's what's going on in America.
Do you want to
right
know
now.
where they live in the world?
Yeah, I would. I'd like to get away from this.
Why?
From this topic?
We can't shy away from these things.
You're
though.
right,
This
you're
is the
right.
reality of the world we
It's
live
the
in the
reality.
This is
United
like the
States.
real
Don't
shit.
like it.
This is the real shit.
Yeah, our voices.
Anyway, they're native to Southeast Asia, which includes the countries of Indonesia, Myanmar, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, Cambodia,
How about Laos?
Laos.
it's so cool
What
that
did
you
I
know
not say?
so much about countries and
Did I
geography.
say Vietnam, Philippines, Brunei?
You didn't say
You didn't
Brunei.
say any of those, but that's
Anyway,
really cool.
That region of the world, southeast of China is
Yeah.
where they're originally from. So very humid, subtropical, tropical regions, which is where many unique life species live. But they are
So
invasive
cool.
to the US, Europe, and Australia. So if you live in one of those regions and you see a hammerhead worm, I guess you can kill them.
Not even if you see them.
If you
Like,
want-
walk outside of your house right now and look.
Look for them.
If you see them.
I haven't seen one.
They
kill
live
them.
under rocks,
Do what
logs,
Dylan said. Dylan wants you to
gardens.
murder them.
I did not
mulch.
specifically say that.
He said, he said murder, you said shoot.
But
Yeah, no. That's
So-
having the cops do. That's death by cop.
so
It's a whole
like
different concept.
what happens if we do take a knife to them? I mean, Kara already kind of talked about
Do
it.
they
but
regenerate like earthworms? I don't know.
No, that's why you got to shoot them. Just obliterate them. It's perfect.
But if you shoot them in the right way, they'll just turn into two worms.
Then shoot them again and again and again.
I think we need to learn a little bit more about their longevity, Rob.
Do we? I don't
Maybe
know. I mean,
even-
there's not really a lot known about it. That's part
Maybe
of the problem.
even maybe even their anatomy.
Well, we'll get to that. We'll get to that.
I think it's about time. I think
I mean, it's
we don't need to wait.
We'll start off with their longevity. I mean, it's not really that well known. They could be months. It could be years. People don't really know because,
true.
again,
they're worms.
they get segmented. They become new worms. They do other things. They go back
like
in the
the-
ground. There's like, what
it's like
what
the
are they doing?
ship of Theseus. It's
We
like-
can't understand what they're saying because they communicate by chemicals like ants do.
Yeah.
Yeah, they release chemicals, which lets that's how they.
We
kinda
said in the
It's pretty
beginning
cool.
that's exactly how they communicate is with chemicals.
I didn't
Yeah,
hear
I
that.
know,
I don't remember that.
I don't remember that either, but also that's probably where I heard it. Now I'm just saying things that I feel like I know now.
I mean, a lot of being that I am a microbiologist, it's just
Oh my
that a lot of things, a lot of organisms talk by chemical signals. I mean, it started off with cells. They all talk. A lot of them communicate via chemical signals.
it's like
all the
pheromones.
cells in your body. Exactly. Pheromones.
This is why I wear Axe body spray.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Attract all
the
the
ultimate
ladies.
pheromone.
Exactly.
Yes.
Some men too.
That's fine.
Uh-huh.
They
Also,
wanna
I
be
just
to me,
looked
that's
it
all
up.
good.
They can regenerate if they're broken up.
I'm
I
pretty
don't
sure
know
we
if
said
they-
that like 8 times, Kara.
Well, you just
I'm pretty sure we said that
You
8 times,
conjectured. I
Kara.
confirmed.
We talked about that earlier.
I don't know if they grow a new hammerhead though.
Yeah.
They grow too.
Whoa.
Oh, do you want to know
That's my
best
nickname, by the way.
practices
the
for
Hammerhead.
disposal that are
Oh,
actually
God.
suggested?
What?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
Thank you for looking that up.
It says you can freeze them
The nice
You
tasty
can
snack.
douse them with salt and vinegar.
No.
Nice little flavor.
I can't go that to
That's like
brutal
flavor. You're gonna eat it.
You could.
All
probably
these are
wouldn't.
preparation methods for
Or
eating.
you can use alcohol or bleach.
So
I like the freezing method.
Or you can shoot them.
yeah,
or
you
you
can
can
shoot them
shoot
a
'em.
bunch of times.
If you're in America, you can shoot them.
They'll just might turn into 100 separate hammerhead
This
worms.
is why we have the Second Amendment right here
To deal with hammerhead worms.
to deal with hammerheads and to stop
Other
their.
invasive species.
Well, we need to stop them, and it's tough because they have a couple different ways that they can reproduce. So they're reproducing quite a bit. So they're actually hermaphrodites. They have male and female reproductive organs,
Cool.
and it can do either role. It's kind of consistent with flatworms in general. Actually, flatworms typically will often do what's called penis fencing, where they both try to stab each other in the abdomen with their penises.
Oh yeah, I've seen.
And then, have you?
I've seen.
You've
that.
researched this quite a bit?
Well, I've seen a video.
So they need another one to reproduce. They can't asexually reproduce.
No, they can do that too.
Oh, they can? Okay.
They can, yeah.
Good for them.
Well, again, the segmentation that we talked about before, that's technically
Mhm.
reproducing. But anyway, they will stab each other in the abdomen, where one of them will stab the other, and then the one that gets stabbed is, they're going to be the female.
Is the
in this
dominant?
coupling.
Is
And then the other
female.
one's going to, well, it's interesting. They have what's called genital pores.
How interesting that would be to just
Go and
fence-
stab someone with your dick. You want to
Yeah.
try it?
I'm just. It's a thought experiment.
Well, let's make it a real experiment.
Do you think
Come
it's hot?
No,
That
I'm not saying
particular
anything.
attribute, I mean?
I'm not saying anything about hot or not right now because that's
Okay.
not me. That's not.
Not-
I was just wondering
not
about
yet.
that particular characteristic. Do you
I'm-
Well, we'll find out. We'll find out.
me.
Well,
Yes.
anyway, they have genital pores. It's kind of like the cloacas we learned about a little bit.
Oh,
They're just
okay.
holes that these things that comes out of.
So they all have pores and penises.
They got pores. They all have these.
I've got a
penises,
pore.
they got
I've
all
got
the
pores
stuff.
and penis.
Do they have multiple pores and multiple penises, or one and one?
I think they only have the one
Well,
penis.
The worms have a pair of genital pores
Oh.
on the
Oh,
underside of their
interesting.
bodies, usually near the middle. Those pores
The
are
middle.
used during mating to exchange sperm with another worm. So they stab each other with the penis to figure it out. They've got two testes.
And whoever
They
loses.
they rub their genital pores together, and then it's just the loser is the woman.
Why do you assume the loser is the woman?
That's how it
And
is.
yeah, that is what it is.
The loser's the woman.
Just like for humans, the loser is the woman.
Oh God.
And I don't mean that because I think it's true, but just look at history. Just look at history.
I'll have to look it up.
I would honestly be sad if I didn't have the ability to gestate, because I think that's the coolest thing you can do.
Yeah, I'm not that
As a
sad
life
about not
form.
having that ability.
I'm sad about it. That sounds pretty cool,
It is
honestly.
cool.
Yeah.
Well, anyway,
You go, women. Being able to do
Female-
that.
the
What?
female
We
reproductive
will
organs,
go.
they got ovaries and they produce eggs. The eggs are fertilized internally, and then they.
How long does it take for them to have
So
the
they-
babies?
Yeah, and also, do they give live birth to baby worms?
What?
Do they give live birth?
Or is it eggs?
It's a great question. Well,
Does it not
Do
say?
you know the answer?
Okay.
I'll look it up.
but we can talk about fragmentation a little bit.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
It takes about 10 to 15 days for them to kind of generate into a new worm after they fragment.
it.
That's it. This is a couple weeks.
So fragmentation is just when they break off like
Yeah,
a piece
and they're
of
just
themselves
continually
and
redoing
make
this.
another one.
Just continually redoing it. And
It's like if we just cut off our foot to make a baby.
that'd be weird. And then you grow your foot back. And
Yeah.
then your foot becomes a person.
Yeah.
Accidents would have a whole new meaning.
Yeah.
Like, oops, yeah, my dad got into an accident and then I was born because
Oh,
he
God.
got his leg cut off.
The amount of injuries I've had, I probably have a bunch of babies.
Seriously.
But yeah, actually, also
They could cut your foot off. They could cut your leg off like
Yeah.
3 times already.
they can self-fertilize too. It's not just about the segmentation. They can also
Yeah. So this
they can fuck themselves.
That's
essentially
A
says
dream
for,
of mine. But
for actual sexual
they've achieved it.
reproduction, they do. I guess the eggs are fertilized inside them, and then they
Yes.
can lay the eggs.
Okay.
So it's not like they give live birth.
yeah,
Gotcha. No live birth. Got it.
Yeah.
I think I need to make a decision here.
About what?
What my wild wish is going to be. What
Is it fragmentation?
is my wild wish? I'm thinking about it, but then I'm just like, fragmentation for humans, we would just be overrun by narcissists.
fragmentation or segmentation.
Fragmentation.
Fragmentation.
Okay.
That's the asexual reproduction.
You're
Sexual is laying eggs.
Well, yeah, okay.
We would be absolutely overrun by like a
Filth.
million Donald Trumps.
Oh, don't even say that. Don't even say that.
Or like a million.
Yeah, when that person
Elon
shot
Musk.
him in the ear, his ear would have 20 other
Yeah,
Donald
exactly. So like that might be a really bad wild wish.
Yeah.
So maybe it would be cool if the human race could just, I'm going to say regenerate. No fragmentation, but I think regeneration would be just fucking awesome.
What's the difference? What do you
They
mean
can regenerate.
Half of the fragmentation.
It's like taking out the fragmentation, like the part that gets cut off of us, whatever, it's gone.
Oh,
But, like,
okay.
we could
but
just
growing the
regrow
body
our-
part that came off.
Hell yeah.
That'd be pretty useful.
Change
It
the
would
whole
be.
goodbye life insurance. Who
I'll
cares?
tell you what, I'd never brush my teeth.
That's where you draw the line.
Honestly, though,
It's a
The-
pain in the
The
butt.
most annoying
Pain in the
thing
ass.
I
Twice
do
a day?
ever.
Yeah.
Twice a day? And then you have to floss too? Oh,
ugh,
Ugh.
that was annoying.
goodness.
That would be. I didn't even think about teeth.
Yeah.
I think that's more of a shark thing, but I'm still with the worms if they had teeth. You know,
I would just cut off my dick and see if it grows back better.
maybe you could cut it at different parts,
Yeah.
and then like it could
Just
grow
a tip.
back.
Would you eat the pieces you cut off? Because I would at least try it, probably.
No,
Why?
I'm normally on your side, but no.
You wouldn't try
Would I try?
your own
okay.
body part that you cut off.
No.
it's gotta cost energy for you to regrow your body.
Well,
though.
sure, but if it, let's say it happened accidentally.
Okay.
Do you eat parts of your body now? Do you eat your fingernails? Do you eat your hair?
Yeah.
I
No.
don't, but some people eat their placentas.
Yeah, and that's
Oh,
not
God.
great to do.
What are you talking
I don't
about?
think it's
It's
necessarily
actually-
harmful. It's not beneficial.
It's not
in any
beneficial
way,
at
in
all.
any
It's
way.
just fucking gross.
Yeah. But
Ew.
Like, animals don't do that because it's like nutritious and all that
They
stuff.
do it to
makes
get rid of the scent.
Exactly. They do it to
Yeah.
get rid of the evidence that a birth just happened and attracting predators and shit.
you
Everyone
just-
that's like, oh, it's just good to know nutrients.
Are we?
Like,
Yeah, that's
are we
not.
like super smart?
we're the smartest. I mean, we're
I think we
we're
are.
honestly like
just
the
spitting
smartest
fact
people
after
there
fact
ever
after
were.
fact.
We have no bad ideas
Mm-mm.
and only good ones.
But you're not curious about what your muscles taste like?
No.
I feel like my muscles as I flex
Oh
in
my
front
God.
of Rob and Tara.
Just
feel like
Would
that
you
muscles
eat
like-
somebody
I need
else?
Dylan.
Okay.
No, I would not. I would not eat a
I did
person.
Rob, honestly.
I don't think I'd
His
want to eat a
legs.
person.
If you didn't have to worry about prions and such.
Yes, that's the big one, right? But cows exist. I'll just eat them.
I like how I'm the only one that would eat myself and I'm the only vegetarian.
Yeah.
Fair.
What's the morality of it? I mean, you can consent to eating yourself.
Exactly. Although,
Maybe through chemical signals we could get consent from cows.
Yeah.
I would
Too much-
eat.
too much action.
much
I would
work.
absolutely eat lab grown meat. I just think
Yeah.
I've lost my taste
Oh.
for meat.
I would definitely.
I would
lab-grown
chow
meat.
down on lab
Well,
I
lab
would
grown
love
meat
to get
all
that
day.
It's real fucking cool.
All day.
because factory farming is like the worst thing. You know, I heard this thing before. It's like, you know, we look back a couple hundred years ago and slavery, and you're like, oh my god, I can't believe people used to do that. And it's like, if we look back at this time, what would it be? And I wholeheartedly think it's going to be factory farming and just eating
Oh,
meat
absolutely.
in general.
I think it's going to be microplastics.
Well, there's that too.
You know what's
But it's
fucked
like the
also?
moral thing. Like, what's the immoral thing you did?
You know what's
Right.
fucked is factory farming is lobbying against lab grown meat because obviously it's going
That's
to
not
cut in their
surprising at all. Of
profits.
course.
But like,
I just want to. I
we
want to
can,
say one
we can
more.
This is
reduce
my-
suffering significantly.
It doesn't
in
matter
this
because
world.
their paychecks. So this is
One-
exactly how I feel about Exxon and like different like fuel companies.
Right.
And like, you understand, you've known that climate change is happening for 50 fucking years. Instead of doubling down and trying to deny the science and trying to destroy everything for a fucking buck, why don't you get on the forefront of renewable energy research and get ahead of the game and make money on that?
Because they have a fiduciary responsibility to the shareholders.
Yes, but you can argue that their fiduciary responsibility long term is to ensure that they are at the cutting edge of renewable energy because that is the future. Because eventually,
Yeah.
oil is going to be done.
I agree,
So-
but profits are always short term. They're never long term.
Yeah, it's
so
fucking
it's a
stupid.
it's
Fuck
a
corporate America.
it's a pivotal core issue of capitalism, as it always is.
Yeah, it's horrible, and it's like it's just mundane evil.
Yes,
where
Dylan.
it's just the little things that are done every day by people that don't really like. It's not like it's an evil master plan. It's just little things that happen every day because somebody makes
Yeah.
a moral decision in their mind where it's like, oh, it's not gonna be that big a deal if I just.
Well, it's
lie.
not even like one person making the decision. Companies run
Yeah.
kind of just themselves. It's not just one evil person making these
of course.
decisions. It's just a
everyone
board being like, this will make the most money.
Right.
Yes, Dylan?
We've gone off track.
No, this is very relevant.
This relates directly to the Hammerhead worm.
I just wanted to interject way early on.
As far as other species go, the frequency of CEOs in the Hammerhead worm community is massive.
Massive.
They have their own shareholders.
They do.
Wow. What are they sharing? Dirt?
Other worms, which they eat.
Ah,
They
gotcha.
liquefy
It's
and
all
eat
about the earthworms.
They liquefy their assets just like billionaires.
Nice. Very nice.
Yes.
The billionaires go into their assets and just vomit textrodoxin or whatever it's called and just liquefy them all.
And with that, we are open to any corporate sponsors that want to get behind our podcast.
Yes,
here.
please sponsor us. We'll suck your dick.
Sponsor me, Daddy.
Nestle?
Nestle? Anyone?
Yeah.
Hello?
Are they the ones that don't believe that water is a human right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fuck you, Nestle.
But
sponsor us.
but sponsor us,
We'll
please.
take your money.
We'll take anything.
And I won't say anything bad about you ever again. I'll even eat chocolate.
Getting back to the Hammerhead worm.
Yeah, getting back to it indeed, because I've had a thought this whole time.
You gotta let it out.
You gotta let it out.
Gotta let it out.
So, it's a worm, right?
Yeah.
Got some interesting shapes to it. Got some interesting colors.
Some ridges.
Now, it raises a question, among other things it might raise in some people. Is it hot or is it not?
Is it hot or is it not?
Ooh.
So we're gonna go to
Jury's out, folks.
the panel of jurors here, rural juror, and because I'm the judge, you got to go be the jury. So we're gonna go to.
So you're the judge.
To Dill first.
To me,
Dilante, what do you think?
I mean, it's a worm.
Yes, it is. Good point.
I mean, I think the colors are cool for some of them. I can appreciate the colors.
You gonna do it?
I've seen slugs mate before.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, right?
It is
on.
It's fucking wild. I wouldn't say turn on. I would not say turn on, but it is wild.
So much mucus.
It's at least membrane going on.
It is at least interesting the way that animals find themselves fucking. The penis fencing, I think, is hilarious. Really cool. Mm-hmm. But it is going to be a 5 out of 10 for me.
That's not how it works.
Okay, sorry. It's going to be a no.
No, really?
No, I don't think it's hot.
Wow.
It's a worm.
I'm shocked.
Dylan says no. All right, well, let's go to the much more interesting opinion. Kara, what do you think?
Okay. So, this has all the features of an animal that would be hot. It's very slender, very sleek, very moist. Has a variety of colors and patterns.
Always going to be wet.
It has an interesting head shape. It's long. It has a nice tail. I feel like it would move efficiently in its environment.
Okay.
That said,
is that a source of attraction for you?
It could be. Could be. I'm just saying general objective, attractive traits.
Dylan, it likes moist areas.
It's true. It's true.
Seems like it's an introvert. That said, the fact that it's called a worm is very off-putting to me.
Interesting.
But don't think about what it's called.
The fact that what it is a worm maybe might be off-putting to you.
I don't know if I can get past it.
It's 8 to 20 inches.
Can you tell me your opinion first? Because I'm like very borderline here.
All right, you want to know my opinion first. This is interesting.
She needs help.
Wow. All right.
Go ahead. Get in there.
My opinion now.
Get in there.
This is gonna be a lot.
Is it controversial?
It might be. We don't know yet. Either way, it's controversial depending on who you're talking to. So let's look at this objectively. If I look at a picture,
it's all objective
of this worm. It's shimmering.
Mm-hmm.
It's glistening. Mm-hmm. As you said before, it's got that mushroom head. Right? Mm-hmm. It's ready to slide on in. It is ready to go. It's got those bright colors. It's got the patterns. Now, I mean, my goodness, some of these are better looking than others. I will say that. That's true.
Very much.
The brown ones.
I've got to say, this reminds me very much of The Lion King when Simba finds Timon and Pumbaa, and they're in the jungle, and they get at the bugs, they're slurping them, and he goes like, slimy, yet satisfying.
Yet satisfying.
And in my mind, even as a kid, I watched that, and I was like, I know it's supposed to be gross. That looks fucking delicious.
It does look
And
good.
you know what? This motherfucker looks slimy yet satisfying. It is hot, hot, hot.
Hot.
I don't care about the name. It's
We got the hot
shape.
designation.
It's the shape. It's what it can do. I mean, think about how
It
dexterous
can
this thing is going
liquefy
to be.
its prey.
It can it's going to get you real wet. That is true. It's going to liquefy me.
It'll get you the most possible wet.
Yes. So, yeah, I mean, is it a little weird? Sure. But so are all things that are good, worthwhile.
I never thought I'd see the day, but now it's between me and Rob. It's a yes, it's a no. It's a...
Okay, I think I've made up my mind.
Okay.
And the defining feature, I believe, for me...
The length, right?
It's
The mushroom head. The
It's not
mushroom
the
head.
mushroom. I think the slime is throwing me off. I don't know. If this was more snake-like and it wasn't so slimy.
I mean, to quote another Disney movie, you should see how snake-like I can be. That's Jafar.
Yeah, the slime is throwing me off. The fact that it's called a worm is throwing me off.
It only creates some mucus.
If it was slightly more snake-like,
Interesting. I don't know.
I would be into it. I'm gonna have to pass. It's
You're
a
gonna
not
pass.
for me. It's a
no.
not.
It's a not.
Yeah.
That's it. You heard it here. You heard it here first.
Probably.
Oh no, I talk about this all the time.
I'm going to say it was first for this one. No, and I know what you're about to say, that you heard it here first. It's not, but that's not true because the deciding factor is me, and it is hot.
Yeah.
And you guys are both wrong.
The deciding factor is Rob. This is his segment.
Yeah.
You're right. Okay.
That said,
as I said, you guys are the jury. I've taken what you said into consideration and denied.
So it's a 1-1.
Despite it being an invasive
2.
species, we can't kill it because it's hot, according to Rob.
Yeah, that's very true.
So don't call the police.
Don't kill them. Propagate
Call the
them.
police. Don't shoot
Propagate
them.
them. Split them in half.
Cut them in
Make
half.
more.
Go penis fence with them. Make more.
Do not do that.
I will say, I mean, again, this was a close call. I think that I'm trying to get outside of the box here and think about things. And it's not, I understand what you're saying, Kara. I'm not going to hold this against you, even though you are wrong, but that's okay. We're both wrong. You'll get past this whole like worms are gross thing at some point. I guarantee it.
Worms.
I mean, I don't
to
like
reiterate
worms.
to all the listeners,
Snakes
this does
are cool.
not
Worms.
mean that I want to fuck the worms. It just means that they in the animal kingdom are considered hot.
Yeah.
It's just an objective thing.
It's subjective.
I mean, sound off in the comments of what you got to say to that. But
No, don't.
I want to hear what they have to say. Maybe
Would
one day
you
we'll read
like-
what they said the next episode.
Would you like to know what their poop looks like?
We should have done this before,
yeah.
hot or not, because this might change things.
This might have changed
your
things,
mind.
but I am interested.
Any ventures to guess?
I still think string, but
You think string?
I think
okay.
string. I mean, if I'm imagining what a worm's poop's going to look like, it's going to be long because it's long. Or it could be pellets because everything's pellets.
The microbiologist in
Oh
me
my god.
is thinking that these worms are so sophisticated.
So sophisticated.
They're using everything they can.
You think they don't poop?
I think that they repurpose the waste products of things that they eat into their toxin slime.
Interesting.
And that's my guess.
Okay. That's a good guess, actually.
Is it?
All right, first I'm going to
Don't
describe
give him credit.
what it looks like.
I mean, you might want to give me credit.
Well, I know
don't
the answer, so I'm
Okay, yeah.
this close. First, I'm going to describe what it looks like.
Just
Then I'm going to
lie.
describe how it happens because it's unique.
If I'm like excited and like I'm so anticipating.
All right. So color, surprise, surprise, ranges from brown to black depending on its diet. Okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't form any distinct droppings, so no pellets, no string. May
there goes
appear as
that
a residue
rule.
or trail left behind as it moves. Here's the interesting fact:
Okay.
comes out of its mouth.
Oh God, that sucks.
It does not have an anus. It might be mixed with mucus. So yeah, it is kind of
Okay.
mixed with that toxic substance that it produces. But yeah,
And that comes out of its mouth.
it comes out of its mouth.
Okay.
I should have known this since I studied his genitalia so closely.
Are you kidding? Wait, is the genitalia in its mouth too?
No.
Oh, okay.
No, it's in its abdomen.
Oh, gotcha.
We talked about
We
this.
talked about that.
We talked about it.
So is its digestive tract just like all up in the top part of it, and then
Yeah, it's all in one hole.
Oh my God.
It's like a cloaca, but if
they also ate from it.
That would be
God,
terrifying if
that-
a bird ate from their
Oh
cloaca.
my. That'd be awful just to taste your shit every time you
Well, maybe
go
they
to
don't
eat.
taste.
Maybe you're
Oh,
right.
I'm looking at actual pictures of this. It's gross looking. This is hot to you.
No. I'm sorry, I take it back. I would say if they're like fully stretched out and like not that long,
Let
that's
me
fine.
see.
But the 20 inchers, no.
I can't see.
They're too skinny
what-
and weird.
This is what I'm saying. Like,
Oh,
But look at that one.
God.
Look at the bottom right. Bottom right in the middle.
when they look like
Look at the bottom right in the
when
middle.
they look like
that one looks
snakes.
nice.
Yeah, this one's hot.
That one's hot. That one is hot. That one is come on.
Because this one
Kara,
looks more like a snake.
If it was just that one, that would be hot, right?
But when they're all curled up,
and like barfing
ew,
out.
look at this
that one looks like my dick, and that is not attractive anymore.
This one's very flat and slimy and
Yep.
flesh.
Well, anyway,
Yeah.
some of them look fine. Some of them don't. Does the
vote stand?
No.
Does the vote stand 1 to 2? Not hot.
After seeing
This is hard.
pictures that weren't handpicked, I mean, again, because that one looks fine.
Oh,
That one's
sorry
fine.
about my
That one
This
picture.
one
guys.
looks good.
Yeah, like the ones
If they're a pretty color,
that looks like a
I
nudibranch.
could see them being hot, but not if they look more like earthworms.
Yeah, so we'll say mixed.
I'd say mid.
Mixed results. Some are hot, some are not. It depends.
I didn't even know you're breaking precedent now. Usually it's just
Precedence, whatever.
Hot.
we want it
You know,
to
it's
be.
a-
I mean, we're not-
use
this
your
isn't the fucking
judgment.
Supreme Court. This is hot or not.
Use your
Supreme
judgment. If you
Court.
see one, it's ugly, kill
Yeah.
it. If it's hot,
Yeah, if it's hot, don't kill it. Maybe fuck it. Don't fuck
Probably
it.
don't.
Don't fuck it.
Yeah.
I mean, you could break it up and
And what?
see what happens.
it'll regenerate into 2.
Yeah, you can do that.
So
Don't
you just
fuck
want
it
to
though.
proliferate the invasive
Yeah.
species.
Don't fuck it.
Got it. If they listen
Just
to
the
us,
hot
it's their own
ones. Just the hot
fault,
ones.
honestly. Yikes. That was very disturbing and unfortunate that we had to learn.
We also didn't talk about what eats it.
Yeah, we didn't.
What eats it?
I think that's me.
Do. I will say when they are attacked, whenever they try and use defense, they rely a lot on those toxic secretions for sure.
When they play dead.
Yeah, and it deters the predators because no one wants to have that neurotoxin kind of paralyzing stuff. But also, yes, what Rob said that they play dead. I think that's more of it's not in my defensive thing here.
It was
but
in the socialization stuff.
that's cool.
I read about it in a book.
And of course, being slimy means it's hard to firmly grasp. Firmly grasp it,
So
exactly.
if you'd like to know what eats it, the reason they're invasive, most predators avoid it because of their secretion of the tetrodotoxins.
Yeah,
Makes
for
sense.
sure.
So that's why they're invasive. Not much eats it. Some beetles, some birds eat them occasionally. If they've developed a tolerance, some humans kill them, but other than that, nothing fucking eats them. They're at the top of the food chain, baby.
Top of food chain, baby.
Anything else we want to say about the hammerhead worm?
No. I'm put off by those pictures you showed me at the end there. I got limited photos.
This leads me to believe we need to look at more pictures before we decide if they're
I
hot or not.
agree.
Because
From now
Dylan
on.
You didn't
picks
like
the
my
best
nice pictures?
pictures.
Yeah, I like the pictures.
The pictures were beautiful. The other
Yeah.
pictures of them in like real life were not good. I mean, this is like online dating and you're getting catfished. That's
Dylan
exactly
picked like the Nat Geo.
Yeah, they're really nice. I will
not,
say-
not the fucking backyard under a rock.
All right.
Hammerhead worm.
I think it's time to move on to our special segment today. Rob, surprise.
Is that the surprise?
Yeah.
Ooh, surprise. You guys didn't have to do anything.
Oh, well, we had to.
We had to.
You had to?
Yeah.
Well, in one of our previous episodes, you mentioned you had never tried something.
Oh, God, it's going to be a bug.
It's not a bug.
Well, maybe.
Well, it could be a bug. It's a fig. got some figs.
It grew from our garden.
So, this is from our garden. I want you to taste it. Be descriptive.
It's squishy.
Dylan,
It's
there's one for you.
Oh, absolutely not. I've had figs
Why do I have the
before. I'm
big
not
one?
eating it.
Why do I have
I'm
the
not
big one?
eating it.
Because that one's the least squishy.
It's the least messed up one.
Okay.
One of our trees produces really big figs, and one produces really small ones.
Yep.
I got I'm excited you guys got me a gift.
Oh, yeah.
That is a gift.
Okay. Where do I bite this thing?
I don't know.
Describe what it looks like first.
Well,
and describe your initial impressions.
Well, I guess the first thing I really noticed, because I mean, it looks like a fruit. I mean, it's green on one end, and it's kind of like browning on the other. It's it's got a little like nipply thing on.
Do you remember what
like,
the
hole on
hole,
the
the
other side.
anus is called?
The anus of it?
Yeah.
No.
I don't either.
Well,
Don't look at me.
And then I touched it, and it was a little squishy and mushy. So that put me off a little bit. And
It has
now-
been washed,
And
by
then
the
now,
way.
okay, I was going to ask that. Oh, I'm gonna bite it now.
It's called a syconium.
Okay, it's not going to hurt me, right?
It's not going to hurt you, no.
And if you don't
Fruit.
like it, you can always put it on that.
People
It doesn't
eat it every
smell like
day.
anything.
Do you want me to get you a paper towel in case you have to spit something out?
I'm not going to spit it out.
Okay.
I'm an adventurous eater. Also, it's
Oh,
just
I'm so
a fig.
curious.
You are delaying.
It's just been
it.
built up. You said it looked like a.
There may or may not be a wasp in there. We don't know.
Well, it'd be digested. It's fine.
It'd be
It's true.
digested. 1 in 10 chance.
Oh my gosh, he just went in. Oh, there he goes. He's biting it. Does it,
It
look
looks
like...
like a plum. Like,
It does
not
look
a
like
different
plum.
color.
Yeah.
Different color, but it looks like a plum, like the way it's structured.
It looks like a fig, actually.
I'm gonna eat one. I'm
From
gonna
what I
eat one
can
of those
see.
small ones.
It's not my favorite. There's not a lot of flavor. There's like not a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
It's
It is grown in like our garden.
These have a little bit more flavor.
Now, that looks more like a plum.
The inside just looks so gross.
It looks like a plum.
I think
Look at the inside of this.
the insides of figs look
That
like
looks
fucked
exactly
up.
like a plum. Have you not had a plum recently?
That doesn't look like
I love
plum.
plums. Yes, give me that.
This is more granular.
I guess.
Kara's good at describing stuff.
And it looks just like a plum, except like it's got little. I don't know if
Has
seeds
little-
is the right word, but it's got like maybe
Yeah, it's little
color, but
seed
it doesn't look that bad.
finger.
This one is interesting. This one looks like it's flesh.
Ew, look at this.
Look at this.
That one looks better.
Well, thank you so much for joining us on Animal Antics. Oh my gosh, we didn't even say what the name of the podcast
Rob
was
thought
in
he
the
was
beginning.
getting an actual good surprise.
Yeah.
I did.
Fucking sucker.
It kind of tastes like a pear.
Oh, I hate
If I had
pears.
to compare it to anything, it'd be a pear.
Really?
A pear.
Yep. in
A pear
taste.
plum.
Interesting.
Okay.
A pear plum. That's what figs
The
are.
look of a plum.
Well, thanks
the taste of
for-
a pear. That's enough for me.
Thanks for listening with us.
If you
Tune
see a
in next
hammerhead
week.
worm, call the police.
Call the
If
police.
it's ugly. And if you're white.
If not, cut it in half.